Is Google's new Pixel 9 going to be more expensive than expected? A new report suggests the price might be higher than many had hoped, which could change how it competes in the budget-friendly smartphone market. The Pixel 9a has already been leaked multiple times with renders, live photos, and even hands-on videos showing exactly what to expect. It was even spotted next to Samsung's unreleased Galaxy S25 Edge, making it one of the most well-documented upcoming devices. But while we know its design and specifications, the pricing has remained a debated topic until now. A recent report from a reliable source claims to have settled the discussion, and the numbers may not be what some were hoping for. In the United States, the Pixel 9a is expected to cost $499 for the 128GB version and $599 for the 256GB variant. In the United Kingdom, those numbers translate to £499 and £599. In Canada, the phone is expected to be priced at $679 for the base model and $809 for the higher storage option. Across Europe, the pricing varies slightly, with Ireland seeing a starting price of €559, while Belgium, France, Germany, Italy, and Spain are expected to have the device available at €549 for the 128GB version and €649 for the 256GB model. These prices are in line with earlier leaks, but there were recent reports suggesting the Pixel 9a could launch at a lower price, at least in some European markets. Those rumors created hope for a more affordable option, but it now seems that won't be the case. Instead, the Pixel 9a is positioned to match the launch price of its predecessor, the Pixel 8a, which also started at $499 in the United States and similar price points elsewhere. While it's not surprising for a phone to maintain its previous pricing, some may feel disappointed, especially if they had expected a slight price drop. At one point, there were rumors of a €499 or $449 Pixel 9a with premium features like a 120Hz OLED display, 8GB of RAM, a dual camera system with 48MP and 13MP sensors, and a 5,100 mAh battery. That combination at a lower price would have made the Pixel 9 one of the strongest budget-friendly options. But with the higher pricing, it's now facing stronger competition from rival brands. The main question now is how well the Pixel 9a will compete against other smartphones in its price range. Compared to the iPhone 16e, Samsung's Galaxy S24 FE, and the OnePlus 13R, it does offer a few advantages, but it also faces some tough challenges. The Pixel 9a will be priced slightly lower than Apple's budget model and Samsung's Fan Edition device, while being a bit more expensive than Motorola's latest mid-range offerings or Samsung's Galaxy A35 5G. But potential buyers may also consider the standard Pixel 9, which typically starts at $799 but often sees discounts, bringing it down to $699 or even $649 at major retailers. Is Samsung about to shake up the mid-range smartphone market with its latest Galaxy A series phones? The company has started teasing the launch of 3 new models: the Galaxy A26, Galaxy A36, and Galaxy A56. These devices are expected to bring solid features at competitive prices, but what stands out the most is Samsung's promise of 6 major Android OS updates. If these phones launch with Android 15, they could receive updates all the way to Android 21, something that is rare for mid-range smartphones. Samsung India recently shared teaser videos that hint at the upcoming launch. The clips show a triple camera setup, which aligns with the leaked renders of the Galaxy A36 and Galaxy A56. While Samsung hasn't confirmed the official release date, reports suggest these models could be launched next month. These phones aim to offer a balance between performance, camera quality, and long-term software support, making them a strong option for users looking for affordable, yet capable smartphones. Starting with the Galaxy A26, this phone is expected to feature a 120Hz Super AMOLED display with a U-shaped notch for the front camera. It could be powered by Samsung's Exynos 1380 processor, which should handle everyday tasks smoothly. The main camera is said to be 50MP, ensuring clear and detailed photos. To keep the device running all day, it will likely come with a 5,000 mAh battery that supports 25-watt fast charging. Samsung is expected to release this model in 3 colors: black, green, and white. Moving to the Galaxy A36, it could come with a 120Hz OLED display featuring a punch-hole camera cutout for a more modern look. Under the hood, it may be powered by the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 processor, a chip manufactured by Samsung's own foundry. The front camera might be 12MP, offering better quality selfies and video calls. Just like the A26, this phone is also rumored to have a 5,000 mAh battery, but with an upgrade to 45-watt fast charging, meaning it could charge significantly faster. This model is expected to be available in black, green, purple, and white. The Galaxy S56 is expected to be the most powerful of the three. It could be equipped with the Exynos 1580 processor, which includes 4 high-performance cores and an AMD RDNA 3-based graphics unit. This should result in better performance for gaming and graphics-intensive tasks. The camera setup may consist of a 50-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens for capturing wider shots, and a 5-megapixel macro camera for close-up photography. The front camera is also rumored to be 12 megapixels, similar to the A36. Powering this device could be a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging. Samsung is expected to release this phone in 4 color options: black, green, pink, and white. What really makes these devices stand out is the promise of long-term software support. Most mid-range smartphones receive 2 to 3 major software updates, but Samsung is offering 6, which is typically reserved for flagship models. Did Samsung just leak Google's next budget phone? A recent video showcasing the camera capabilities of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge has unexpectedly revealed what appears to be the upcoming Pixel 9a. This unexpected sighting has caught the attention of tech enthusiasts, as the video briefly showed the back of a phone that closely matches recent Pixel 9a design leaks. If this is indeed Google's next affordable smartphone, we now have an early look at what to expect before its official launch. Google is expected to release the Pixel 9a in March, which means it will be competing directly with Samsung's Galaxy S25 Edge and Apple's iPhone 16e. But the biggest surprise isn't just its early appearance, it's the design change. If this leak is accurate, Google is making a major shift by removing the signature horizontal camera bar that has been present in previous A-series models. Instead of the camera module stretching across the back, the leaked video shows a design where the cameras sit almost flush with the rear panel. This is a departure from the traditional Pixel look, and it could make the phone blend in more with other smartphones on the market. The device also appears to feature chamfered edges between the back panel and the side rails, giving it a more polished feel. For years, Google's A-series phones have stood out due to their unique design, but this change suggests the company might be focusing on a sleeker and simpler aesthetic. While some users may prefer the classic camera bar, a flush camera module does have its benefits. It prevents the phone from wobbling when placed on a flat surface, and it could also help protect the lenses from scratches. The leaked video did not reveal much else about the Pixel 9a, but recent leaks have already given us a good idea of what to expect. The phone is rumored to feature the Tensor G4 chip, the same processor that powers Google's premium Pixel 9 series. This suggests that the Pixel 9a will offer impressive AI-powered features and solid performance at a more affordable price. The rear camera setup is expected to include a 48-megapixel primary sensor and a 13-megapixel ultra-wide lens, which would be a nice improvement over previous A-series models. On the front, reports suggest the phone will have a 13-megapixel selfie camera housed in a small punch hole cutout. Battery life is another area where the Pixel 9a seems to be getting an upgrade. Leaks indicate it will come with a 5,100 mAh battery, offering longer usage times compared to its predecessors. It is also expected to support 23-watt fast charging, which should help users recharge their phone quickly. The display is rumored to be 6.3 inches, making it slightly larger than last year's Pixel 7a. This could be a welcome change for those who prefer a bigger screen for watching videos, gaming, or browsing. However, Google has not confirmed if the phone will feature a high refresh rate, which could be an important factor for some buyers. Since this leak came from an unexpected source, a Samsung video, it is still unclear if this was an early production unit or just a prototype. If this is the final design, then Google is taking a new approach with its A-series lineup. The removal of the camera bar might make the Pixel 9a feel less like a Pixel at first glance, but its rumored specs suggest it will still deliver the software experience that Google phones are known for. With an expected launch just around the corner, we should be getting official details from Google soon. But for now, what do you think? Do you like the new design, or do you prefer the classic Pixel camera bar? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech news.